is BMW. Repair the engine, palyado. They have jerking, and also replace the valve cover gasket, reset all the system.
The BRD,
What?
the engine mounting all okay already, right?
Yeah.
What is the thing that you said is a bit like bit.
The Honda.
Oh,
Just first replace the engine mount, shock mounting.
absorber mounting.
Yeah.
Is that's why when slow.
Yeah, just replace. This is the coil, the number 1. This is spark plug. It's new. Remove the valve cover and then replace all the coil because they have some issue. You see, they have oil in the coil. That's why. This sometimes trouble of the BMW.